G'day everyone, I'm Teiotsistokwahte, and today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make a turkey bake. Guess what? This recipe only takes half an hour, and it's super simple. Alright, stay tuned for the ingredients and how to make it. Here are all the wonderful ingredients. We have 12 small tortilla shells, 1 cup of grated cheese, 1 cup of sour cream, 2 tablespoons of cumin mix, 4 tablespoons of chipotle sauce, 1 can of crushed tomatoes, 500 grams of minced turkey, and last but not least, we have 2 orange bell peppers that I have cut into 1/2 inch slices, just like so. Time to get our oven preheated at 425. While your oven preheats, it is a good idea to chop your peppers and get all your ingredients separated just like so. Okay, so now what we're going to do is turn our stovetop on to a medium-high heat, and we're going to add some oil into our pan. Once the pan is heated up, we will be adding our peppers into the pan and frying them up. You will be frying these peppers for 5 minutes, and be sure to add salt and pepper on top while you're cooking. Alright, 5 minutes has passed. We are now going to add our turkey on top of the peppers. Just like so. Make sure to use 2 spoons, 1 for your meat and 1 for your stirring. You're going to take your cumin now, and you're going to cover the meat as well as the peppers. Give everything a stir, mix it all together, and you have to make sure the turkey is no longer pink. Now that your turkey is no longer pink, you are going to take your crushed tomatoes and scoop out 4 tablespoons worth of tomatoes. Perfect. You will then add 1/2 cup of water into the mixture as well. Mix everything together. Just like so. And you can add more salt and pepper at this point. So you're going to cook this on medium to low for approximately 1 minute until your juices have thickened. Your sauce should look something like this after approximately 1 minute of cooking. Nice and thick. Now it's time to make the sauce for the topping of your stuffed turkey enchiladas. So what we're going to do is take the rest of your tomatoes and put them inside of a bowl. Just like so. Don't feel afraid of scooping it out. Perfect. Then get your chipotle sauce. Add it inside the tomatoes. Scoop it out if necessary. And then give everything a stir. So it looks like this. Feel free to add your salt and pepper again at this stage. I'm not going to add too much. It's to your liking, so I'm adding just a little bit more pepper and giving everything a stir again. We are now going to place the turkey base mixture into our small little tortillas. So I'm using this scoop here, and I'm going to take approximately this much per shell. So I place the shell inside of my deep baking dish, put my turkey in, and I'm going to roll it up now and make sure that the seam is on the bottom of my baking dish here. And I'm just going to repeat and repeat every single step from there. I'll show you again. Take a small little tortilla, take a scoop of your turkey mix, place it in your deep baking dish, and roll your tortilla like so, and make sure the seam is on the bottom of your dish, just like that. Alright, stay tuned till I'm done. When you are finished, your enchiladas should look something like this. Delicious! Okay guys, it's time to grab the sauce that you made previously and a spoon. And you're going to drizzle the sauce over top of your enchiladas. Just like so. I will show you a close-up really soon. Your enchiladas should look something like this. Now's the time to sprinkle on some cheese. I'm now going to take my cheese and sprinkle over top of my enchiladas in an evenly fashion. It will look like this when you are finished. That's my dog Jules. So now we're gonna put our deep dish into the oven. Open this up, put it inside, right in the middle, and start your timer for 5 minutes. Put your timer on for 5 minutes. Now you're wondering, what do I do with this sour cream and the leftover sauce? Well, you simply add them together. And give everything a stir. Alright, I'll show you a close-up in a second. Alright, this is what it looks like when everything is stirred together. You will be adding this sauce on top of your enchiladas once they are done being cooked. 5 minutes has now come to an end. So what you're going to do is actually put your oven on broil for the next 2 minutes. So while you're broiling, you want to wait for your cheese to turn brown and a little bit bubbly, just like this. Alright, the last step is take a scoop of your awesome sauce that you made and add it to your enchiladas, just like so. You can also add some salad on the side, or rice, or whatever you'd like. This is the final product. I hope you guys enjoy. Thank you for joining today. Anna!